Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph, and today I'm here with Dion. And today we're going to look at what's going to happen with Bitcoin. And Dion has an excellent trading opportunity for us on the Verge coin. Good morning, Dion. What's happening with Bitcoin?
Good morning, Joseph. Okay, so we're starting on the weekly chart with Bitcoin. I think everybody saw yesterday we had a massive pullback. So the one thing on the weekly that concerns me is that we again under this 200 weekly MA, and that's not good. Bitcoin really in history hasn't spent much time under there, and this is the longest we've been under there, and we were very happy to break it a few weeks ago, to actually break it and test it and start going up. So we're hoping that this weekly candle close, so we've got 3 days left, not looking good at the moment, but that this would close above that, and so that we can continue going up. So that's a bit concerning. Okay, then if we zoom in to the daily, so on the daily chart, we were trading in that rising wedge, and it is actually a bearish pattern. We all know normally those break to the downside, so we kind of expected this. I didn't expect it to go this far as we're going now, but I think the macro economy also is playing a role in this happening at the moment. I don't think it's just Bitcoin. If we go to the 4 hour, we can maybe see more clearly what's happening. Gee whiz, it's really tanking now as we speak. I was hoping that we were finding support here at 22.8, our old friend that we used a while ago. We were struggling to break through that 22.8. So we'll have to see where this ends. We've got old support levels from that I can pull out that we had in the past. So we'll see if we hold above this previous support. Down to the hour, you can see that we've now broken last week's low and this week's low, so we like really making history at the moment. So there's not much to say. Bitcoin, we'll have to just wait for this to play out and see where we actually find support. It might just be a total fake out, or it might be due to the economy. We'll have to just give it what is Friday today, see what happens by Monday. The big culprit, if we go to the market indicators, is the dollar index. So the dollar had good news yesterday with unemployment figures. So maybe that's why it's rallying here, and it's spiked 2.5%, which is quite a big move. So, and that is pulling down all the other markets now. Bitcoin dominance, if we have a look at that, it's also managed to break. Well, now it's dropping down again. So we're still around about this support resistance level. We're up and down, up and down. It's good that we've broken down here now. So that would be good for the altcoins, but at the moment I wouldn't suggest any trades while we're just waiting for some kind of a base to form here. We can quickly run through some of the others. The altcoin perpetuals is also taking a big dump, so money's flowing out of the stop losses being hit, and people closing trades. It's so these are the top 10 altcoins. So altcoins are all pulling back quite strongly, and so will the money flow out of the alts. So this is the total dollar index for the alts, money in and out. So you can see people are also strongly getting out of those and closing positions. The Nasdaq also has a bit of a pullback. So everything is due to that dollar that is so strong at the moment. So we really need a pullback on the dollar, and the S&P 500 also going sideways at this resistance level here. There's not much more to say, so it's not looking bad. The economy, everything is still looking good. We'll have to see with a strong dollar now what happens with the interest rates, but that's only in September. So for now, we'll have to wait till Monday to see if we found some kind of a support. then I can show you the trade that I'm looking at the moment. So this is on XVG Verge coin, so it's not that highly ranked yet by CoinMarketCap, but it's a very good project and very loyal supporters. So it's had a massive pullback since November. It's very, very low. But if you look where it's found the bottom, we've had a 60% recovery until recently, and now this new pullback. So I was hoping that we would stop here. Let's delete that line. So this looks like this might be our new support. So from where it is at the moment, wherever we find a base and start going up again, I would trade. It's going to be a good 20% in it until we hit this strong resistance line here that we formed previously. So it's not an immediate trade, it's just a trade that we're watching. So as soon as we find a base here on the Verge and in Bitcoin, then we'll open a trade here and see what's happening on the Bitcoin side. And that's from me, Joseph.
Dion, just tell me something more about this Verge coin. Why do you like this coin so much?
I've just had a quick look here, Joseph, at CoinMarketCap, what they say on the Verge. And they say that according to its black paper, the Verge was created as a way to fulfill Bitcoin founder Satoshi's vision of a decentralized, trustless electronic payment system while also providing more privacy than is available with Bitcoin. So it sounds like a new payment system that's kind of more anonymous with more privacy. Sounds like that's what the big thing is. I know that's the big move, is that people want to get away from Big Brother watching you, and I think this is probably one of their big selling points.
Awesome. So we're probably gonna watch this Bitcoin dump that's happening. I'm sure it's gonna find support, and it might just be a short-term rally on the dollar. On the long term, the dollar should lose strength and Bitcoin will go up. Guys, thank you for joining us for the session. If you're trading Bitcoin, I think you just have to wait a little bit to make sure that Bitcoin has found support before you get in. If you are a Bitcoin DCA trader, then this is probably great for you because you're gonna have a few opportunities to buy Bitcoin at better prices. We're gonna be back in an hour, and we're gonna look at a major signal that we saw on the weekly chart, and I'm going to play a clip of Steve from Crypto University also to explain why there's major upside coming on a weekly chart for Bitcoin. See you in an hour. Thank you, Dion.
Great, guys. We'll see you later. Cheers. Have a good day.